Hello everyone, and a warm welcome to all of you tuning in to our new video after what has felt like an eternity of anticipation. We are thrilled to present to you this exciting content, specially designed to guide you through the intricate details and strategies of the Rajhi Spin and Win game, a unique opportunity that we believe many of you have been eagerly awaiting. Additionally, in this video, we will be unveiling the latest rewards for the year 2026 that you can earn through the mokafa loyalty rewards program, which continues to provide fantastic incentives for its users. We kindly ask that you take a moment to like, share, and comment on this video, as your support not only helps us grow, but also ensures that your family and friends are kept in the loop about these exciting opportunities as well. Furthermore, we'd love to hear from you about what topics or languages you'd like us to cover in our next video, as your input is invaluable in shaping our future content. Thank you so much for watching and for your unwavering support. It truly means the world to us.